Ewe miwe nahi shkote avgawi eshkandaga gawi anaki tanje mastuja hoe gawi anstuja ka chimate betenik.
One option available is a biomass generating plant that will be owned by the community and will create jobs for members. This presentation outlines a preliminary review on a proposed biomass power generating plant. Diesel is brought in on winter roads, stored in large tanks, and the fuel only lasts for a few months before it must be flown in. The transportation of diesel is expensive and causes our energy costs to be extremely high.
Ego hoe nahi basically Jesus got the bay got the case chicken. Ego ge hoe nahi no kabatakitegen in wakaigan and hinge ish forgetting here basically he's got the way got the Egasuguge when he is mana kinagain magakuan hinga tawaning. Tagotashuge when he guys say Gavin Zigan got dig within midday Emma Japangani Nazigo Kahinga Nahing the Bikanga Count Jamakinano.
Niskanaga has been looking for a solution to get rid of our diesel generators.
Ugmakana gives big hiwe na hati na kitanga mitigoke development corporation janaga studio hiwe ani nigez naga kohe gawians chigate hegas matebedega mtachakaba kis chigenano. Ego to show ni hita gogi tagoke higate hema ugmakanga but studio hi BCR here na hi China but the junior ugmakang job but then kent the mwaj
Tagoka is nearing the completion of a feasibility study on the proposed biomass power generating station. The new power plant will be First Nation owned and operated and will create jobs for Niskanaga members. This is the current diesel power plant providing power to the community. We do not see in this picture the large storage tanks that store diesel. The exhaust and fuel spills impact the community directly. It is very damaging to Mother Earth.
Ego machenda gana hoe ogwena kshunya agma menego kaje hoe ga but stuat hien nungu muhega mana nagat niko hoe ni metega sigate hoe das jigis the grand sigate given. Ego gamba teu deg ga sigate Nijama nego tek koi hoe apangis sigate nungum guys nagok. Hoe daske nahi gawi abatakimate nahi biswoord ganda abatan himate gan miskama gaske guys matebate. Hier siguge nahi anakinan himatonje mukska wan himate oya himaton chuan danakit hima apangis sigate here.
The power plant will be owned 100% by the community and its chosen partners, and will be completely financed by the private sector and government funders. There will be no financial contribution required from our community. Our community can partner with Tagoka to create a sustainable biomass system. Energy future. Below is an example of what the proposed biomass power generation plant will look like upon completion. This is a larger system than we need, but an example of what the proposed new plant would look like. It is clean and very easy to maintain and operate.
Ego hoe na ha hoe ga ustiga sigisa kisiga nisuna gana hoe ani ne hege uji huma gakima skudea.
The first component is your fuel supply. We will mainly be harvesting waste wood to clean out the fallen trees, creating a healthier forest and preventing forest fires. This will create jobs in the wood chip processing and handling.
Eko ni sin mina is na because it's oh nahi gichi all kungi ha nahi kchuan sa gana is na because himat nahi geje unja gisagate nahi be a
The third component is the turbine and electric generator. The heat from the boiler is used to turn the turbine, which in turn creates power in the electric generator. This equipment is very common and provides cost effective and reliable power for the community. Preliminary work on the biomass study has been completed. The proposed biomass generation facility is a viable initiative for Niskanaka First Nation.
Ego gizi destigate uma skunaganing ego ayak when tagitek ego nahi chikav kistiganing when tagitek tagotashigo hoy chibeknagok ego anakio nanjonje tagokin umasugo skunaganing bangi jonje jonia kemaga ego chigate he gagitsmatebetek ayak vinagoti ayak chimashage ego maskozi magaki wetni gano skakagan napana no chigate tagata shoye no chigate no gabatakitegen akagan tagata shuguna non gotagan chakagan gane tagakin sakawakis chigate.
Our First Nation will own the project, have full control of the new company and the board of directors. This energy project supports our goal to be self sustaining and fully respects our sovereignty as a nation.
Ugumakanak binawa ma taisene juana tuwa the heat windamage nahaga ye wete utena ga start and snabek during the morgan arts when he gawi chigate kenda wat who nahaga snabek image na kiwe windam watch Gumakano angene tuutamanit.
Tagoka will begin discussions and negotiations with Indigenous Services Canada on a financing model and with the Ministry of Natural Resources and Forestry on the required fiber permitting. Tagoka Development Corporation. Tagoka was chosen by Chief and Council to be the development partner moving forward. They develop biomass-fueled power projects for remote First Nation communities, replacing outdated diesel generating systems.
Ego nagatstua jiguana gano nagano jana kitamwat tagasuge nahinga na mutsige ning gaze nagatstua tago imate ani negeji minasegi skudea ba matstige moesuge nahi kikentamwat ani na Chugamaga Asia ayawat sabago na ayawat kagkendamwat aningeji anakitamwat hirt nakana hingas kunaganiga tagokin. Egamigas kaduma nagakuhoga ika pasandame kuhoga ipagat negate gahoe nahi windamage.
We would like to thank you for your time to review this presentation today. Please feel free to contact Roy Munias, Walter Manitwabi, or Kirsty Corbia directly should you have any questions or comments. Miigwech.